Y'all ready for this?
Hey guys, we finally made it to our destination. Come on, let's show you.
Get everything situated. This is where we're staying for the weekend. Isn't this cute? There's Day. He's about to get food started. What we eating tonight, honey bunny?
That's a good question.
They give you a campfire kit. So in this box, they give you your wood, they give you a quick starter, and we're literally like outside in the woods. Now let's take a look inside.
Did we just come to a secluded fucking cabin? This is not cute. We're gonna smell you.
Ooh. They got s'mores for two. They got a cell phone lockbox. For a true escape, don't forget your phone inside. Cute. So we're right here. They got other cabins here. You can bring your dog here. Right now we're in Adeline. We're in Adeline cabin. They give you a whole bunch of snacks. And then you get to wake up with nature. That goes all the way up. This opens up, which I like. We got a little situated here. They give you, a phone. They give you a little radio. We can listen to music. A little stove action. And then you got your bathroom, which I think is so cute.
So we gonna sleep in the nature tonight. Do you like this? You gonna sleep on that side?
No, I'm sleeping on that side. You might get up more than you tonight.
Yeah. Dale.
Put your hands up in the air.
I've been
This
waiting.
is the rhythm of the night. The night. Do you believe in love after love? Rhythm is a dancer.
My G's